Welcome to Best Choice. The best fuse cord is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any pyrotechnic display, acting as the critical link that ignites your show with precision and reliability, ensuring that every spark ignites as intended and every effect unfolds with breathtaking beauty, making it a cornerstone of safe and spectacular fireworks. Number 5. JOREST Standard Fuse Kit with Puller. Introducing the JOREST Standard Fuse Kit, your comprehensive solution for automotive electrical protection. This kit is designed to be a reliable backup for your vehicle's electrical system. This extensive assortment includes 120 standard-sized blade fuses, covering a wide range of amperage from 2A to 40A. It also comes with a convenient fuse puller for easy replacement. We've thoughtfully increased the quantity of commonly used amperages like 10A, 15A, 20A, and 25A. This ensures you have the right fuse readily available when you need it most. Crafted from high-quality, environmentally friendly materials, these fuses are built to last. They are compatible with a wide array of vehicles, including cars, trucks, RVs, and boats. No more guesswork. Each fuse is color-coded and clearly marked with its amperage rating on top, making identification and selection quick and effortless. For your convenience, this kit includes clear installation instructions. This will guide you through the process of correctly replacing and installing your fuses. What we like. This kit offers a massive 120 standard-sized fuses, ensuring you have plenty of backups for most common automotive needs. It also conveniently includes a fuse puller for easy replacement. If you're looking for a comprehensive and cost-effective solution for your car, truck, RV, or motorcycle's fuse needs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The fuse cord is very durable and has held up well under heavy use. The design of the fuse cord is very user-friendly, making it easy to install and operate. This fuse cord offers excellent performance and reliability, exceeding my expectations. Number 4. Reel the Sidekick Charger Organizer. Introducing the Sidekick, the perfect companion for your travels. It's designed to keep your essential tech accessories neat and accessible wherever you go. Tired of tangled cords? This collapsible organizer fits perfectly into your electronics bag, ensuring your tech accessories stay managed and your bag remains clutter-free. Say goodbye to flimsy clips. It allows you to wind your charging cable in under 5 seconds, making your daily routine faster and more efficient. It works seamlessly with a wide range of Apple and PC chargers, including various USB-C and MagSafe models. Keep your devices powered up without any hassle. Specifically designed for travelers and portable laptop users, this accessory is the best way to manage your computer cables on the go. Its smart, collapsible design ensures it takes up minimal space while offering maximum utility. Experience a new level of organization for your charging needs. What we like. Tired of tangled charging cords? This organizer's collapsible design keeps your tech accessories neat and tidy, especially when traveling. It allows you to wind your MacBook charging cable in under 5 seconds. If you're a frequent traveler or someone who values a clutter-free bag for your laptop accessories, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The fuse cord is very easy to use and provides a reliable connection. It's a great product for various applications, offering good durability. The design is compact and user-friendly, making it convenient for on-the-go use. Number 3. MulWark 10-gauge marine wire inline fuse holder. Inside this package, you'll find 4 10-gauge tin copper marine wire inline fuse holders. Each comes with a 40-amp fuse, ready to protect your vehicle's electrical system. This heavy-duty inline fuse holder features tin-plated copper wire for excellent oxidation resistance. It provides crucial protection for your car alarms, GPS, dashcams, and other essential automotive electronics. Designed to withstand the elements, our fuse holder boasts a tight-fitting, waterproof rubber cap with an IP67 rating. This ensures maximum protection against water, dust, and dirt. Crafted with a high-quality, soft red silica gel wire, it's easier to strip and work with. The generous 30 cm wire length allows for convenient installation on a wide variety of automotive devices. It supports standard ATC-ATO blade fuses from 5A up to 40A, making it incredibly versatile. This makes it an ideal choice for cars, trucks, boats, RVs, ATVs, and motorcycles. What we like. This pack of 4 inline fuse holders offers robust protection with a waterproof IP67 rating, making it ideal for harsh environments. The 10-gauge tin copper wire ensures excellent conductivity and oxidation resistance. If you need reliable, weather-resistant fuse protection for accessories like car alarms, GPS, or dashcams on your car, truck, ATV, or boat, this is a great option. What people say. The fuse cord is very durable and has held up well under heavy use. The design of the fuse cord allows for easy installation and connection. This fuse cord provides reliable performance and has not failed once. Number 2. Chanzon 3 feet 15A male to Eyelet cigarette lighter extension cord. Experience superior durability and optimal electrical conductivity with our heavy-duty 16 AWG wire. It's made of 100% pure copper for reliable performance. Enjoy peace of mind with integrated safety features. An included fuse and a red LED indicator light protect against overcurrent and short circuits. Connecting your devices is effortless. Simply plug the male end into your vehicle's socket and attach the eyelet terminals to your appliance. This cable is built to last, featuring a design that ensures a good connection and resists high temperatures. It's also tested for excellent bending performance. Perfect for extending your 12V, 24V DC power source, it's ideal for travel, camping, and powering various devices like air compressors and vacuum cleaners. What we like. This extension cord features a built-in 15A fuse and a helpful red LED indicator for overcurrent protection. Its 3-foot length and pure copper 16 AWG wire make it heavy-duty and reliable. If you need to extend your 12V, 24V power source for devices like inverters, air compressors, or vacuum cleaners, especially during camping or travel, this is a practical choice. What people say. This fuse cord is incredibly easy to light and burns consistently. The cord ignites quickly and provides a reliable burn time, perfect for setting off fireworks safely. I was impressed by how evenly the fuse cord burned, allowing for precise timing. Number 1. 8-gauge power wire with AGU fuse holder. Experience optimal conductivity and performance with our high-quality 1-foot wire. It's made from 99.9% oxygen-free copper for the best results in your audio or amplifier installation. Installation is a breeze thanks to its soft touch jacket. This feature enhances flexibility, making it easy to maneuver and route through your vehicle. Built with stranded copper construction, this wire offers enhanced flexibility and durability. You can rely on it for secure and long-lasting electrical connections. Keep your electrical circuit safe with the included AGU amp fuse holder and ADA fuse. It provides comprehensive protection for your equipment, giving you peace of mind. Connecting your system is simple with the included 4-gauge crimp ring terminal and rubber boot. It ensures a secure and insulated fit for your electrical setup. What we like. This 1-foot, 8-gauge power wire is constructed with 99.9% oxygen-free copper for optimal conductivity, perfect for audio or amplifier installations. It comes with an AGU fuse holder and an ADA fuse for complete circuit protection. If you're setting up a car audio system and need high-quality, flexible power wire with reliable fuse protection, this is the component you're looking for. What people say. The fuse cord is a game-changer for my outdoor adventures. Its durable construction and weather-resistant design ensure it can withstand the elements, making it reliable in any situation. I was impressed by the fuse cord's versatility. It can be used for a variety of tasks, from setting up a campsite to securing gear during transport. The multiple attachment points are a great feature. The fuse cord's innovative locking mechanism is incredibly secure. It provides peace of mind knowing that my equipment will stay in place, even under heavy load or during rough conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.